1956, Toucher, because you'll find that, for instance, I'll make an example of a Duncan village. There was a lady, the first black Miss South Africa. She was coming here in 1955 from Duncan village. She was the first lady to appear with Vogue magazine in 1956. You will see the pictures, some women, but she's also there in that magazine. So you'll find it, but is missing to, for instance, in 2026, we're supposed to celebrate those women because it's 70th.
Who was the woman and where was she from?
For instance, here in Duncan village, we had women like Mama Deborah Omose. She's still alive. But there are also other women, Umamu Ufaz, she's here, Umamu Ufaz. Mama wayinesi owayesilona amalungelo abantu through la profession yakhe esincedisana nomzaba ne-ANC. And what is fun is that umama waye-ANC utata wakhe khona APAC, but babehleli kunye besebenzisana. So there are those things ezingathethayo about women abathe bathatha indima enkulu apha eDuncan village, women abathe bathatha mama Onokhanime Thomas nabanye omama abathe badlala indima apha eDuncan village trying to fight struggles apartheid. Look at KwaNomalapha, ukhona ilady phaa ilazalelwe phaa, usekhona wazalelwa KwaNomalapha. For me today to see amalandawo ijeyana indawo ohlala students kodwa ibisuppose uba indawo mhlawumbe sithi heritage site because yeyitrongo yama-women leyo. Kodwa today you'll find into bakuhlala abantwana besikolo xa selendisiva kwesake ndangena ngaphakathi kuthiwa phaya kwakukhona nento yasekuxhonywa kwabantu nento, and you ask yourself uba abantwana
Here in East London?
Here in East London, xa ubheka ngaseQuickly, just up left.
Wow.
So when we talk about women,
Sure.
kuye kufikela ndithi baninzi ama-women who played a big role, even noma ikho kwisport nakwi-music nakwi-politics ne-teachers ezisirezileyo up and nurses ezisirezileyo up. Mna ndifinish toba those women deserve to be honored and bafumane inantsika yabo, bayinikwe iitrophy zabo, abanye bazinikwe iitrophy zabo ngoba besaphila. Hence you see that side, all those women there, all the cooking. Yeah, you will find Mrs. Margaret Njo, Udabo Zandile, Umthungwane. Mrs. Margaret is a good storyteller. She knows the history and she's coming from a family of politicians. You know, we are as history of Zabalazo. Uzandile Mthungwane is a young lady. She was here, you just missed her. She's one who was telling a story about hardships as from a name, being raised by a grandma, being raped as a young woman. But she ended up being that person who takes care of abantwana. She's taking care of abantwana babantu. Today, we have about 11 kids, no support. That is why she was here in Namhlanje, because we wanted to give her something for Christmas.
Wow.
This young lady now also shines in netball, South Africa, and this Lumama is helping kids to play indigenous games. And then she's doing it now. There's also Yoga's Tutu. Tata wake was a librarian. She was a businesswoman, and she was also helping Kakulu kwizikolo nge-programs zokuphuhlisa isikolo. So I've watched her, yabona intoba ininzi i-role ayidlalileyo kwi-community yaseDuncan village ebisuka from utata wakhe, and this lady is still working with young people. Une-organization eyithuma mina, uyi-social worker.
Yeah,
and then you find Mama Ufaz. Mama Ufaz is a big story to tell about this woman. She had 3 kids. ANC member, but one of them was escaped to Amaseru. Other one was bombed there. And the third one was a right hand man, Krisani.
wow.
She's been an active member of ANC, also helping Windows underground.
Wow.
So she's that kind of woman. Recently, about 2-3 years ago, President Ramaphosa built a house for her.
Wow.
This is Pulanges. Pulanges is from Duncan village. She's a motivational speaker. She's one of those women. She's also a preacher. So whenever we're having events, and she's also supporting into esiyenzayo apha emuseum.
Yo, awusemhle man umsebenzi wakho. Really, honestly, I'm so glad I came.
Yeah,
Wow.
thank you.